Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to set your game party session to private on the PlayStation 5 with any game. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So there is a new setting where you can take any game and you can set the party to private automatically. So this is a system-wide setting. So on the home screen here, if we go up to settings and select this, and then scroll on down on the left side, we can go to save data in game app settings now. Then go on down to where it says game presets, and then go to the right and go to online multiplayer sessions. This says select which players can join and invite other players to your online multiplayer sessions. So if we select this now, we can see who can join. It says game default. This will let the game decide what goes on. But you can set to invite players, friends, friends of friends, or anyone. So if you want to go ahead and make it private, set this to invited players. Then who can invite? You have game default, then leaders only, or all members. So go ahead and adjust these settings the way you want them. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.